Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. For today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off incognito mode Chrome on your PC. Chrome doesn't offer a built-in way to fully remove incognito mode, but you can still disable it using the Windows Registry. Press Windows plus R to open Run and type regedit and open it. After the Registry Editor opens, go to HKEY Local Machine and click it. And under HKEY Local Machine, click on Software and scroll down until you find the option called Policies under Policies. Create a folder called Google, and under Google, create a folder called as Chrome. While the Chrome is being selected, create a new divert 32-bit value and rename it as IncognitoModeAvailability with the spelling precise. After it's done, just click on the Incognito Mode Availability and click on Modify and change the value data from 0 to 1 and click OK. After everything is done correctly, your incognito mode should be grayed out. We have successfully disabled incognito mode in Chrome on a PC using Windows Registry, preventing users from opening private browsing windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.